Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna make an easy side dish, roasted Brussels sprouts. All right, let's go. My Brussels sprouts don't lie, coming from the big guy. When you do Brussels sprouts, you don't want to cut too much off of the bottom, otherwise it won't hold together. And if you have to peel any leaves that are a little dark or not so nice, now's the time to do it. Takes a little time to prep, but it's pretty easy, self-explanatory. There you go. Fast and easy to clean. Sheet pan, extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Alright, we're going to put a little olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper. Mix it around real good. Now we're going to take our pan, now we're going to flip them over face down. We got the oven heating up 425 right now. Alright, now you kind of want space in between all of them if you can. All face down. Alright, we got it all ready. We're going to put it in the oven 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. There you have it, perfect roasted Brussels. 425, took about 25 minutes. Now we're going to plate perfect Brussels. Now a side dish can be used with anything. Pork, chicken, whatever you want to use. You can always use balsamic vinegar, you can make butter sauces, all that kind of stuff. But we just like it with the sprinkled garlic and some fresh shaved Parmesan. There you have it, roasted Brussels. Tasty and delicious. Me and Buster, thank you. Have a great day. And we'll see you on the next one. Right, bud? Huh? Pop and Joey. Look at that. Look at that. Such a pretty boy. All right, until next time. Aloha.